Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M8. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see right here, we've got the files provided by Google. And thanks to this app, you've got access to your internal storage divided to categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Next, you can go to Save folder and your internal storage. Then, you can go to Share, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Next, you can go to Clean, thanks to which you can clean junk files from your tab. In the end, you can go to Menu, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.